Hi guys, today we'll see B2C Solution Architect Certification Maintenance for Winter 25. So we have the multiple choice task is there. So let's complete this multiple choice task. So what is an uneven exchange flow? You go for D. A UI flow used to substitute a fulfilled product for a replacement with a different value. So what is the primary function of the root key in a platform encryption for data cloud? We go for the B. To act as a master key used to secure other keys for encryption or description operators. Next comes to the third one. So what is the advantage of using platform native privacy center for a data retention? Records can be copied to an external data store. At the same time, they are masked or deleted. It simplifies the provisioning of a retention store for testing into a sandbox. It adds some free storage and uses the same UI as the managed package privacy center. We'll go for D and a B next. So how does a partner connector helps vendors and partners work, leads and opportunities together? Go for the C. It maintains the connection between the partner and vendor records to provides a read-only view of a record progress. Next, so what is Einstein personalization? A. An application that uses data cloud capabilities to provide the real-time personalized experiences across the Salesforce clouds. Clear? And click on here. Check the quiz. Done. So we completed a B2C Solution Architect certification maintenance for the winter 25.